Today, I want to share with you a piece of artwork I've just completed, a painting that brings out the simple beauty of nature, along with profound messages about love and environmental protection. The painting depicts a vast field of grass and golden rice stretching endlessly under a clear sky, with fluffy white clouds swirling like delicate silk ribbons in the sky. A small winding path cuts through the field, where a couple leisurely strolls, savoring the peaceful moment and the harmony of nature. The process of creating this painting was an emotional journey. I began by sketching a rough outline, laying the foundation for the overall structure of the scene. The winding path became the focal point, guiding the viewer's eyes deep into the space. The golden rice field and lush green grass were painted with layers of delicate colors, warm golden tones of the rice and vibrant greens of the grass blending seamlessly in the vast expanse. The clear blue sky, stretching out endlessly, was painted in soft layers of pale blue, accented with swirling white clouds that brought a sense of lightness and serenity to the scene. Every brushstroke I made was infused with reverence for nature. Small details, such as the couple walking along the path, reflect not just a tender moment, but also symbolize the harmony between humanity and the natural world. They are simple characters with gentle lines that capture the peace of the soul, becoming an inseparable part of the vast canvas of the universe. This painting is not just a work of art in terms of its form, but it also carries deep spiritual values. The colors and shapes invite the viewer to experience a sense of calm and relaxation. The golden rice evokes thoughts of prosperity, hard work, and patience, qualities of the farmers who tend to the land. The clear blue sky and floating clouds remind us of the freedom and tranquility of life, unbound and pure. Every detail in the painting can stir within the viewer a sense of closeness to nature and a nostalgia for the simple moments we often overlook in the hustle and bustle of life. But above all, this painting conveys a message of love for nature and the need for environmental protection. As we gaze at the scene, we not only appreciate the beauty of the golden rice field, but we also witness the deep connection between humans and nature. The winding path, though small, leads us through a vast landscape, symbolizing that each step we take, no matter how small, contributes to our harmony with the world around us. In this painting, the couple is not just a pair of characters in a romantic story, but also a symbol of unity and the vibrant relationship between humanity and nature. They walk together on the path through the expansive field, like children of the earth, living in harmony with their surroundings. This scene reminds us that nature is not just a part of our life, it is the core, nurturing and enriching our souls. As the world faces serious challenges such as pollution, climate change, and resource depletion, it has never been more important to cherish and protect nature. This painting is not merely a work of art, it is a call to action for each of us to take responsibility for our environment. By living in harmony with nature, we not only protect the environment, but also protect ourselves, preserving the cultural and traditional values of humanity. The painting is more than just a decorative item, it is a part of life. It can be placed in any home, creating a peaceful space that reminds us of the importance of living in harmony with nature. Those who look at it can feel the relaxation and freedom that nature provides. The image of the field, the path, and the strolling couple will serve as an invitation to rediscover quietude, to reconnect with ourselves in the simple, precious moments that nature offers. Just like the endless golden rice fields, our lives need patience and care to not only survive, but also thrive. Every small act of protecting nature contributes to preserving the beauty of this world. This is the responsibility of each individual, each community, and society as a whole. Thus, this painting is not just a work of art, but a message to each of us. A reminder that we must always love, cherish, and protect nature, For it is the source of life, it is where we begin and where we end our journey. When nature is protected, we will also find peace within ourselves in each step we take along the winding path in the golden fields, where the couple walks together in the vast and infinite expanse of the world.